Welcome to our tutorial on how to prevent automatic downloads for videos on WhatsApp Web on your PC. With the latest update, managing your media downloads has become even easier. If you're tired of videos cluttering your computer's storage without your permission, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to take control of your WhatsApp Web experience. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by visiting web.whatsapp.com in your browser and scanning the QR code with your mobile device to log in. Once you're in, you'll see your chats displayed on the screen, just like on your phone. Now, look to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon at the bottom of the sidebar menu. This is your gateway to the settings. Click on it to proceed to the next step. In the Settings menu, you'll see various options to customize your WhatsApp Web experience. We're interested in the Chats section, so go ahead and click on that. Within the Chat settings, you'll find an option called Media Auto Download. This is where the magic happens. Click on it to reveal the different types of media that WhatsApp can automatically download. Here's the crucial part. Locate the checkbox next to videos and make sure it's unchecked. By doing this, you're telling WhatsApp not to automatically download any videos sent to you. This simple action can save you a ton of storage space and prevent unwanted files from piling up on your computer. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled automatic downloads for videos on WhatsApp Web. From now on, you'll have full control over which videos you want to download and view. Remember, you can always manually download videos by clicking on them when they appear in your chats. This quick adjustment not only helps you manage your storage more effectively, but also gives you more control over your data usage, especially if you're on a limited internet plan. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly optimized WhatsApp Web experience.